Welcome back to Ta-da 3D Printing. Today we're going to be talking about how to make and print your own miniature working dresser for a dollhouse. We have the 3D print file on our Etsy along with other miniature dollhouse files, so you can make these at home for yourself. The file has all the pieces you need and they print all together on one bed. I printed them on the Prusa MK4 and I used a Burley Wood PLA Plus to make it look like a wooden dresser, but if you use this file, you can choose any color. This print is a 1:24 scale, so overall it took 4 hours and 22 minutes to print. I like this PLA by Sunlu called Burley Wood because some wood filaments have a lot of stringing and needs a lot of cleanup, but as you can see, this one doesn't. So I went ahead and popped the print off the bed so I could start assembling the drawers. Basically, I use the Weld Bonds glue and just glue the face of the drawer to the actual drawer. There's an indentation on the back of the face to make it easier to line up. Once it's lined up, I press it together and apply a little bit of pressure. I designed the print this way so that you don't have to worry about supports. Everything can print flat on the bed. Once all 4 are glued, I put them into the dresser to double check they are lined up, and everything looks good and even. But I don't leave them in there, just to make sure the drawers don't get glued closed. Now you can see how the drawers can slide in and out, and that's pretty much it for this print. Let me know your thoughts. Thanks for watching.